To return an order on Trendyol, go to your Trendyol and log into your account, and from there go to your accounts tab here, and from here what you can do is you can go and select my orders, and from there select the order that you wish to return. So tap on it and open it up, and you will see something like this. So from here what you're going to do, there will be an option called create return. Just tap on that to initiate a return request, and follow this prompt like select the items, give reason and everything to initiate your return process. Or if you're unable to like access it, so if for some reason if you are unable to create the return, then what you can do, reach out to the customer support. So tap on the Trendyol assistant option there, so click on it to reach out to the customer service team. So you will open up to a chat center. From there you'll get to this section here where on the chat screen, and from here select return and refund, and then let them know that you want to return, and they will guide you with the entire process. And that's how you actually do it.